Hello children. Today I will start with you all with the history NCERT chapter 3, that is in the earliest cities. This is Priyanka Sanyal from TIJPS Siliguri. So students, let us start with the video. Now let us take you to the story of Harappa. So nearly 150 years ago, when railway lines were being laid down, for the first time in Punjab, engineers stumbled upon the site of Harappa in present-day Pakistan. Now, what happened then? To them, it seemed like a jump from where they could free ready-made, high-quality bricks. So they carried off thousands of bricks from the walls of the old buildings of that city to build railway lines. Many buildings were completely destroyed by them in the process. Then, about 80 years ago, archaeologists came to know about the site, and they realized that this was one of the oldest cities in the subcontinent. It was about 4,700 years old, as this was the first city to be discovered. All other sites from where similar buildings and other things were found were described as Harappan. Many such old buildings and sites are often pulled down to make way for new roads and buildings. The importance of learning about the past. So basically, the city of Harappa is the most oldest and well-planned city to be discovered. And it is also believed that the city of Harappa is the most oldest, and it is 4,700 years old, well-planned city. So in ancient times, our India, our country used to have such a well-planned city which was made out of bricks. Now, let us talk about what was special about these cities. Basically, the Harappan cities were divided into two parts, the citadel and the lower town. Walls were fortified with bricks in interlocking patterns. Streets were laid out straight and cut each other at right angles. Drains ran parallel to each other and had covered. The citadel was located at a higher level and had special buildings. The Great Bath in Mohenjo-daro, it is near to the Harappa, which is again a Mohenjo-daro is a place, which is a great bath is there, where a tank used for bathing rituals. Kalibangan and Lothal had fire altars where sacrifices may have been performed. The lower town was the residential area where houses were 1 or 2 stories high and built around a corridor. Now let us talk about houses, drains and streets. A special tank called the Great Bath has been found in the city of Mohenjo-daro, as I said before. Some cities had fire altars and storehouses. Houses were 1 or 2 stories high. Well supplied water. Cities had covered drains. Houses, drains and streets were planned and built at the same time. So children, today we have learned about the cities of Harappa, how it was discovered and why the city was special, the Harappa city, and we have also talked about the Great Bath of Mohenjo-daro. Even we have talked about the houses, how it was built there were two types of area. First is the citadel and the lower area, and the bricks was in a very good condition and it was in a very interlocking pattern also. And we have also learned that what is so special about the cities. So children, that's all for today. Hope you have understood the video. Thank you. Stay safe and well.